small. Don't have a good set. These are just like literally 3 wrenches and like a couple of random ones that I had from old toolboxes. So I will have to buy myself a matching set so that I have what I need. Okay, that kind of fits enough. Came loose pretty easy. Came loose really easy. And I seem to be able to unthread that by hand mostly. Hope you can hear me with that music. I kind of thought that'd be cool to have my music playing that I normally listen to when I'm out here, but we'll see how it goes when I watch the video. Okay, don't want to bend that too much. That's a metal tube, probably aluminum or something. But I'll show you what I'm doing. I got that out of the way. Trying to also be better about putting my tools away as I use them instead of leaving a bunch of crap out the whole time. So, working on it. Self-improvement task. All right, let's see what I got going on. So, flashlight. So I got all these little connections here loose. Those are off. And I just disconnected that because if I can move this out of my way without kinking it, just carefully bend it. Now I should be able to get to the bottom of this to get this wire nut off so I can pull this cable out, and then the same thing with this one up here. So I'm gonna mess with that for a few minutes. I'm not sure showing batteries full. I keep plugging this in every time. GoPro is pretty new to me. We just got it for the Trail Warrior project to start filming our bike rides, and we did film our last bike ride. Haven't checked all that footage yet. I watched some of it. Looked great, sounded good. I just haven't put it together yet. I'm having a hard time getting the GoPro software to automatically upload the footage to the cloud. I paid for that cloud thing that gives you storage, and it's supposed to, you know, like this. When I get done filming, I should be able to just turn off the GoPro, plug it into a power source, maybe turn it on, I don't know, whatever, plug it into a power source, and I've already set up the Wi-Fi in the GoPro, so it should, in theory, upload the footage automatically to my GoPro cloud account and create a video highlight reel. That was one of the selling points that I thought was really cool about that service, and they advertised it like, plug in your GoPro after a trip, go and pack your gear and take a shower, and by the time you're done, we'll have a highlight reel automatically edited and made for you that, you know, gives you a starting point for your videos. I can't get it to do that. I'll plug it in and it just sits there. But just now, when I started this, you know, 20 minutes or so ago, I plugged this in and I saw a thing pop up on the screen that said uploading footage, 0 footage found, because this is a fresh SD card. So I don't know why it's not doing it when I want it to, but it seems like it might actually be working. I don't know. Maybe I have to try it when I really don't want the footage. I bet if Nate were here with his experience working on small engines and stuff, he'd probably know how I can get this thing out of here. Okay, it looks like I can kind of squeeze one side and release a little tab in there. Let's try it. Man, my headlamp would be awesome out here. Okay, so this seems to be kind of a little tab over there. This will be a fun experiment. Okay. I'm sure that tab is there for a reason. I feel like if I just squeeze those two, it might work. Let me try some like needle nose pliers or something. Let's see if I can squeeze that and get it to push down through the metal plate. So it kind of moves, kind of doesn't. Need the free hand. Need a headlamp is what I need, because that is dark. Not sure what's up with this thing either. This is a really good little flashlight. It's never given me any problems until right now. Okay, off. Auto. I can see the little copper connections down in there, and that seems dirty but in really good shape. So that's good. How do I get these connectors out? Can kind of only go one way. Maybe if I spray some cleaner in there. Get my shop rag. Just gave it a little bit. I just want to see if the dirt was kind of covering up a spot where I could see how to get that out of there. So it squeezes it, but it doesn't, I don't know that that really does anything. I feel like I could probably just pull that cable out of there. Maybe a flat screwdriver twisting it while I pull the wire down. I don't know. Again, I feel like Nate would probably know this because he's probably done this on motorcycles and stuff before, or something similar. So, this also kind of turns, and it's kind of flat, which makes me think maybe a wrench would turn it 90 degrees and kind of release that a little bit. Let's try some cheap, crappy pliers. I don't want to damage this plastic by trying to turn this, because I want to reuse these parts. Okay, definitely turns. And as it turns, I can see seems like that's the easiest side to pull that through. There we go. Okay, so yeah, the needle nose pliers just weren't giving it enough grip. The bigger pliers compressed it enough to where I think I can pull this through now. Yeah. Always happens. Loopy loops. Hello. Oh no.